What is going on, everybody? It is your boy onlythrax, and welcome back to another Broaded video. And today I bring you upgrading the YART house. Your boy has made significant IRL progressions. As you know, about 5 months ago, I moved up in this bitch with Nate. We've done nothing but make hella YouTube videos, make hella money, and lock the fuck in. And it is time to show y'all the upgrades. The first thing we did was put up the Christmas tree. I don't know about you guys, but I like to put my Christmas tree up like mid-November, end November, right before December hits. That's what me and Kaylee spent doing. I put a bunch of shit out in the shed, set the tree up. We put it on a little tire that Nate had just to like add it as like a stump. And then the gym, I spent $500 on a gym setup. This dude gave me good plates, a good bench, Olympic bars, good ass clamps for it, and free mats with it, bro. All I'm missing, I say, is like a mirror and maybe some tapestries or pictures or some shit. And I put a mount up on my wall. Now there's like a 50 inch just chilling up there. So whenever I have people over, they can game on it. And then dude, the desk, me and Jacob, really just Jacob, spent like 4 to 5 hours setting this desk up. And it's definitely the best one I've ever had. I've already made 2 gaming videos on the setup. Golf with Blinkers is doing broadedly, and the Madden video is tough as fuck. If you guys haven't already seen them, make sure to go check them out. Let me just show you guys this setup, what I got going on. Like, as you see, we already got Jacob locked in. Got the fucking, what are you playing?
Carrying the next off.
Down. The infamous Mad Lab to keep us going. The dual monitor setup broadedly. Shout out Cozy Molds. This is where this likes to sit. I sometimes put it up here, but I feel like my cats are gonna knock this shit off. But the highlight of this desk is this right here. Shout out Bomb Official. We got the Sky Loud and the Mag Loud right next to each other with the hot knife as well. The old glass. The magic bean with an extra atomizer, bro. Fucking locked in. Shout out Minecraft Potion. We got some ceramic shit I made in high school. Shout out Keurig. This is like the new edition I just copped. Your boy needs some fucking coffee. Down here, I got my coffee, creamer, and sugar setups along with my Xbox. W wire management, even though it's a shit show back there. None of it really, you know, gets out in this way except for like my studio light. Back there, I even got some plugins and whatnot. I sometimes use them. Got my Xbox controller. There's little pockets right here in this shit too. I fuck with this desk heavy. That's all like my YouTube equipment stuff I'll put in there. You see the gimbal and yeah, that's and then yeah, dude, got the TV mount. I can like turn it and pull it out and all types of shit. Pause. Yeah, this is the gym, buddy. That's only like 115, but you got it.
I got a brain freeze, bro.
This is 135. We're gonna see how many times you can do it.
Ladies first.
No, I did it.
I'm tired, bro.
I'm sick and tired of your shit. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, sonny. I've been doing these weights a long time. 14.
Alright, that's it.
15 is the limit, bro. I'm about to see if I can beat that.
If I can do it, you can do it. You're my brother, bro.
No, no, I'm your brother. You fucking shut it.
I'm gonna spit milkshake out my nose.
I'm your fucking brother. Legends are made, not born.
Should probably spot you.
6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13.
You got it.
14.
One more. One more again. Just keep going. This 17. You can hit 20. No?
We're doing 18 today, boys. And bro, I'm pulling pallets all day, bro. They should be getting brutal on me. Fucking 24 packs and 12 packs, dude. I'm making my bitch.
I'm old and tired, buddy.
Fucking told and ironed.
Get your dick away from my face. Elbow deep in my ass.
Elbow deep.
Oh. Should have gave me a longer break, buddy.
Hypertrophy. That's why I believe in having a good duo partner, because if you do your set and then I do my set and it takes about 1 minute to 2 minutes each, that's a good rest and you could just fucking go ham.
Well, all you gotta do is lift it 3 times, buddy. You can do it. You got it. There you go, 4. One more. No?
Yeah, we'll go with the 4X.
That just means we can just put the 25s on.
Mathematics, buddy.
Well, no shit. It's my client, bro. Yours is over there on that shelf underneath Goku.
Bet.
Give me the fucking thing. Stupid, bro. We did not come out of the same vagina.
Apparently, I'm your brother.
No, I'm your brother.
No, I'm your brother. Shoulders down, syndrome up. Wait, no. Oh, he might beat me on this one. What the fuck? I can't lie, I am not doing 3 on the 185. I can tell you that right now. We're doing it the once. Your boy's not doing it 3 times right now.
Nah, pick it up.
No. I'm laughing. You're gonna die doing that one day. Cause we're both gonna laugh and we're never gonna have power to bring it up. It's gonna chop off.
I'll just be laying there like the bar's laying on my neck.
And I'll be sitting there like,
I've seen them videos like dudes and they like are working out by themselves and they spot them and they're like trying to inch their way out from under the bar.
you want to do it?
No.
I'm gonna add these. I won't spot you.
No.
Here we got the fucking Christmas tree. Let me turn it on even though the flicker might fuck with it. Alright, I said fuck with the tree, not fuck the tree. Alright, shout out Keurig Box. We're gonna get rid of that soon. Oh, alright. W tree, boys. 16, 17 days?
She asked me who put me on. Maybe I ran it all on my only. And whenever she text me, I'm gone. For this shit waited way too long. And she saw me under the sun. In my head, everybody below me.
You fucking kidding me, bro? We're not starting this shit now. Jacob is a fucking nerd. Take that, bitch. Take that, bitch.
Take what, bro? You didn't even do anything. Bro, good throw.
I sniped your ass.
Yes! I tried to hit you with that boomerang, bro, but I can't.
I know.
So they have like all the boosters and shit.
Bro gets the fucking red shell, dude, every time.
Every time, buddy. I see how you're hitting that beast now. And I got, alright, you won. You won.
Uh-oh.
I got double fucked. Yeah!
I don't know how you're getting that boost.
I'm the fucking GOAT!
I don't know how. Are you hitting the blue?
That's why I hit that. There you go.
Oh, I didn't know you got a beast from that.
Oh, that was clutch as fuck. You seen that? You can. Yeah, you will see many, many bangers to come on this setup. Waking up, I took Jacob to community service this morning, made a fucking cup of coffee, came back and edited this whole video. The next 12 months are about to be fucking insane on this setup. I know I'm gonna have some Christmas gifts to fill the rest of this other siding right here. And other than that, bro, this shit is complete. I'd say the only thing is maybe get rid of this couch for a recliner. Bitch, I'm out on bond, and you know I'm fond of THC we on. Bitch, I'm out on bond, and you know I'm fond of THC. I'm high as fuck, cloud 9 is what I'm on. From sunrise to dark, smoking till it hits my heart. I am creeping to my chest, turning me to Tony Stark. Now my lungs are charred. Damn. If I were to make a I Hate Being Sober remix, it'd be like, damn, I hate being sober. I'm a smoker, whipping the wheel, flipping all Coca-Cola. I'm dope as Yola, like Yoda. Green in my stomach and we're about to roll up. Damn. I definitely got modded Minecraft, except I'm 10 blinkers deep on the list. I want to add to that playlist, that except 10 blinkers deep series. I do fuck with it, and I just like being able to play a bunch of different games for y'all here and there. Obviously, the Fortnite videos are going to continue, so every reload equals 1 blinker, I think would be a tough one. Every time one of my teammates dies and respawns, we will do that in the reload game, of course. And then Golf with Blinkers Part 2 is coming to you soon, just wait. Arc Raiders, you might see a video on it. It's about a 50-50. I might buy it, but it just doesn't seem like my type of game 100%. You guys, if I do get hooked onto it at some point, you can quote me right here and make fun of me. I don't care. I got a bunch of IRL videos and skits, but I'm not gonna leak those. That's all I'm gonna say. I'll leak the gaming ones. Y'all are fucking donkeys though, bro. Y'all make it possible. And after the holidays, you know, because I work at Coca-Cola, the holidays are gonna fuck me. But then after that, January to March is pretty smooth sailing. I'll be pumping out a fuck ton of videos. I'm gonna go ahead and take this last blinker for y'all. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed, and subscribe if you are new. Damn. My name is Nolan Roberts, your boy Only Thrax, and I will see you guys in the next Broaded video.